So good evening, everybody. Welcome back for today's session. We had almost come to the end of this, and we have some more refinements and some more automation needs to be done on the dashboard. One of them is the dashboard whom we are going to give. So they need not worry about what is there in the previous ones. And since it is the final product which we are going to give to them. So what we can do is we can remove all the worksheets which are not needed for them. That means we can make those worksheets as invisible to the end user. And what we can do, I think macro was by mistake was created. So we will remove this in this. I have removed. Now we have got yearly orders PT and we have got customer info, yearly orders PT, order info. All these things are there. So what we will do, we will only keep the customer dashboard. All other things we will remove. Unwanted things we will remove. Yeah, there is one sheet 3. We can remove that. We will. Now I have removed sheet 3 and macro 1, but we cannot remove these worksheets. Please remember, if you remove, then whole thing will go waste because no, the references of this dashboard is from these sheets only. So all that we'll have to do is, if you go to this place, customer info, you right click, you will have to right click, then you have got a hide. When you right click the tab, then you will have hide here. This is what we should now do. Now you see customer info has vanished from this worksheet. Do the same thing. Yearly orders PT vanished. Order info vanished. Now for the end user, you are giving him only a dashboard. Nothing else you are giving it to him. Is that clear to all of you? How I did?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? So we will again go through the same thing. Okay. So what we'll have to do is now, if you want them to be back, you go there, unhide. What all? You remember, whatever is the visible worksheet, you go and right click, go and click unhide. One by one, you can unhide. First, customer info has come. Then I go unhide. Then my yearly orders PT comes. Then I go unhide. I get order info. Is that clear to you, all of you? So yes. This is how we are going to hide these sheets because these sheets are not needed anymore. If you really look at it, because nobody is going to work on it. The data has been done by you. The complete work has been done by you. Now you are giving the final product on the table, dining table to someone. So we don't need all the ingredients and all. It is there. They are invisible, but they are available in this worksheet. So if you really look at it, this worksheet, it looks neat now. It doesn't have all those things. Only this particular thing is over. Now, you look at these two things, customer name and order month. Customer name, do we need in this place? Do we need customer? Can somebody tell me? Do we need these two?
Not required.
Yes, customer name is already available here.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you really look at it, months have come already here. So I don't need all of them. Right? So I will remove these two columns, I can hide these columns. I cannot remove because once I remove again, there will be problem. So I will have to hide these columns. So what I do for hiding, I select this column and put a control and take J column. And then what I am supposed to do, right click, then okay. I take this, right click, I got a hide. Can I hide now? So both columns we will take and try to hide. Two columns, why there? Let us see one by one. I will hide this column now. And then I will hide this column. What happened now? Can somebody tell me?
Graph has gone. Graph has also gone.
Graph has unfortunately vanished. So this is not acceptable. Am I right?
See, your voice is breaking, sir. Unable to hear anything.
Now you are
Hello?
not able to hear me now. Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, I am able to hear you clearly.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you seen the graphs have got hidden? I will
Yeah.
again do. I go to
Correct,
hide.
yes. I have seen graphs, that's what I told.
Unfortunately, this is what we wanted. No, we wanted the graph to be available. These two things need to be present. So what do we do now? What is the option now?
See, we
So
need
what
to
we will
move the
do?
graph from here to some other place.
No, sir. Graph, if you move some other place, then aesthetically it will not be good, no?
Okay.
Because we are trying to put them in one particular shape. Now, if I shift the graph alone separate, then it will go out of the screen. So there
Okay.
should be some way. When I hide the column, the graph should not get hidden. No, that is what I will have to find out. Let me see.
Columns
I will
can
go
be
on.
taken outside.
No, sir. Columns can. If you take column out, then the graph itself will be
Graph
outside.
will
If
also
I take
sync. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah,
That's why
so
I'm
that
thinking
will be a
also.
problem. So what we will do, so the graph has got two portions. Please remember, one portion is the graph itself here. Another portion is the total portion. So we go and click in this place and then do a right click. Sorry. Right click. Then you see there is once I right click. Sorry. When I say right click, you see there is one format chart area. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
So you go and click that format chart area. Now format chart area, now you look at this particular, there are three fill. So this is one, say size and this one. You look at this particular thing. I don't think many times we would have used it. So we go and click this size and properties. Now in the properties, what are all available? We have move and size with cell. Move, but don't size with cell. Don't move or size with cell. Print. So where I will have to go to? Where I will have to go?
Move one size itself.
Don't move or size with the cells. Whatever I do with the cells, but don't move my chart. Let it be in the same place. It was available. It was initially move and size with cells. So when I remove the cells, the graph got cut. Okay. Whereas I don't want anything happens to the cell. I don't want anything to happen to the graph. So I said, don't move or size with cell. Now I close it. Now I go and remove, let's say, the
Alt COHI.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, magic. It has worked now.
Yes,
Work or
yes,
not?
yes.
Yes, sir. Working,
yes.
sir.
All that I did was go and click in the chart, go to the right click, go to format chart area, fill and all you just leave out, go to effects 9, size and properties. I said don't move or size with the cells. That is what I did. So what has happened? Whatever I do with these cells, the graph did not move. So this was a very big this one, right? Now,
Advantage.
yeah, advantage. Now you just see still it doesn't look very good if you really look at it because of this particular you just see this particular area it doesn't look nice. Blue up to this, beyond this there is no blue because order amount is blue, order history is totally blue, so it doesn't look nice. So what we can do now is we take the graph, slightly move it up because we have got space here, and then we will come to the month this also we will slightly move up something. And then we take this order history. We made it as merge and center, we removed it. Now we take from here and then come up to this column. Now you merge and center. Now it looks quite decent. Yes or no? Because at least
Yes,
in the, otherwise it was looking ISO. It was not looking very good. Now to some extent, let's go and see Eastern command, which has more number. Now you got the changes and all. So it is up to you. If you want, you can now change everything to align with the graph, or you can change the graph to come here, or you can make one more thing. Only thing is, the more you align this, if you shift this, what will happen? The graph also will now get shifted or not. Let's have a look at it. Let's do one thing. We change the column now. Now this will get shifted. So it is a designing aspect which you should take care what all you wanted to do. One is you can now shift this. So all these things you can do. What I thought was, let me stop at this point. Later on, depending upon your own way of working, you can do. So what all we did in this small session, what we did, we went and ensured that I didn't want the customer name and the month, because customer name is available here, month is available here, so I don't want that. And then I have hidden all other worksheets, and then I have ensured that my aesthetically this one has become all right. This much we have done. Okay, so what we will do, we will stop at the recording, and somebody can work on this. Somebody can do this, others can watch. Then we will come back and go to the next step. Okay, thank you. I will now stop sharing my screen. We will get back. Now what we will do, we will close the recording. Somebody can definitely get work so that we have a feel that it is working. Then we will proceed. Okay, thank you.